for maintaining law and order and guiding the traffic smoothly, health for providing doctors, nurses, ambulances, and periodic fumigation, fire and emergency services, ASI, Old Goa Panchayat and Old Goa Police and others. Thanks to our Jesuit community at the Basilica, Fathers Jude, Jovito and John. They have shouldered innumerable responsibilities and coordinated various aspects of the entire novena and feast to make everything flow smoothly. We also thank the other priests, brothers, especially our Jesuit novices, who walked in pilgrimage from Belgaum and helped us in countless ways during these days. Our gratitude to all the sisters, especially Mother Day, St. Anthony's Novitiate, Angels and Bulla House, PSOL sisters and candidates, and other sisters who helped in various ways, arranging flowers at the altar, first aid, English liturgical introductions and prayers, hosts, etc., and very especially in the distribution of Holy Communion throughout these 10 days. We thank Mr. Avinash D'Souza for conducting the choir and evoking great devotion with their melodious and harmonious voices. We also thank all the other choirs who assisted at each Mass during the novena and today. We also thank the print and electronic media for rendering their assistance in showing Masses live and for other channels for showing recorded versions of it and giving live coverage. In doing the PowerPoints, films and movies from early morning to late in the evenings. Our thanks to the Majestic and Pride Group for providing drinking water, wheelchairs and signages. Our thanks to our faithful, selfless, self-sacrificing and committed band of volunteers, for they are the backbone of this celebration. God bless them and their families.
आज 3 डिसेंबर गोंयकारांनी व्हडा दबाज्यान सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराचे फेस्त मनयले. ह्या फेस्ताक गोंयचेच न्ही तर महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका हांगचेय लोक हाजीर आशिल्ले. गोंयचें खंयचें फेस्त फेरये बगर पूर्ण जायना. फेस्त म्हणलें की गोंयचे पारंपारीक चणे, भिकणां, खाजें हें आयलेंच. लोक हांगा फेस्ताच्या दिसा मेणाच्यो बावल्यो देवाक आंगयतात.